Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and I wanted to show you the freebie for today. It is this one, and it is a lot of vintage postcards, butterflies, and then a couple of vintage stamp seals in there that you could cut out. So, and then some vintage advertisements, different things like that. So, this is the freebie today. Let me hold it up where the light is not so bright, where you can see it. So you can go to the link below and go over and download this. Now, as we always say, please make sure you are a subscriber to our channel before you try to download this. That is all we ask. We don't charge for these, but we do ask that you subscribe to our channel in order to download. So there is the freebie for today. Now, I'm going to make a couple of little vellum pockets. These are like, we're going to call these vellum stamp pockets. They look like postage stamps. And I've cut this one out. Now, I've just used my little scissors to go around the vellum. And then I've glued two pieces together and left the top open. So we are going to put this down right here, and I've just inked around everything. And then I've just got one of our tags, put it right there. Then you have a cute little vellum pocket right there that looks kind of like a postage stamp. Isn't that cute? My lights are awful bright this morning. I'm going to have to back them off a little bit. But that is that one. And then I'm going to do one more. Now, I used my art glitter glue on this vellum. It doesn't seem to bother it, and once you press it in, you don't see the art glitter glue under there. I just put a thin little bead around the edges with this little fine tip. And then I just press that down, and I take my bone folder and my little tissue. I don't like to get the glue on my table. So I take my little bone folder and I just kind of press that in and let any that wants to seep out. And once you kind of press it down, you don't see it. See if I can show you in just a second. See, once you press that down, you're not seeing that glue. You'd have to get really close in order to see it. So this one, oops, I like to put it upside down, didn't I? This one we're going to put over here, and this is just advertising coffee many, many years ago. And then this is one of those little postage stamps, the vintage ones, and somebody can probably read that. November the 9th. I don't even think I can read that with my glasses. No. No, I can't read it. I have to get a magnifying glass. And then I'm going to put this one right here. Ooh, I almost didn't leave enough room. I trimmed this one off a little bit, so I just almost didn't leave me enough room. So there is that one, and then you could decorate them up more. You could put more on them and different things. I just wanted to make a couple of quick vellum pockets for you guys. Then you can always stick some of these little pieces down in there if you wanted to. Let me turn the light off and see if that's any better. No, I think I don't know. That looks like it made it worse. Okay. But that is it for today's freebie. So if you want to check that out, please make sure you're subscribed and then click on the link below and you can go over there and download those. All right, we will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.